What's up, man? You're watching Oscar Outdoors. I'm Oscar, man. Today we're in Lampasas, Texas. We're gonna fish Sulphur Springs. It's a little river that connects to Lampasas River, and we're gonna see what we can find, man. Today we got some Canadian night crawlers, a tackle bag. There's a couple pieces of bread in there, and a pole, an extra pole, light tackle. See what we can pick up, if anything at all. Come with me, guys. Check it out. I think I'm gonna start off with this little jig head right here and these little sassy shads here. We're gonna use it just like this. See if that works. What's up, duck? That big old nutria in the water. See him? Swimming away. He's collecting bread. Check him out. Where you going, man? Get some bread. Oh, there's a little baby one over here. Oh, they live under that tunnel. See that? That spot actually looks pretty good to fish for, like a carp or something. I guarantee you there's big carp in here. And I got some bread in my pocket. I think I'm gonna switch out baits, man. What you need, man?
My brother tangled up my rod, and I've never untangled one of these because I just got this this Saturday.
Ooh, it's a good one.
I have no clue. My brother casted it, and then I went to go catch some bait and come back, and he's a dangerous caster. He hit my sister in the head with a sinker. And he poked me in the eye. Hey, there's a fish! Where?
See if we can't get this tangle out of this kid's pole real quick, and I'll get back with y'all. So what are y'all trying to catch?
I don't really know anything.
Anything?
Yeah.
What y'all using for bait?
Well, we're using plastic worms right now. I was trying to freaking catch some bait.
There you go.
But the water's a little too.
You're good to go. Just tie on a brand new lure.
Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome.
I want to catch a duck.
Well, good luck, y'all. Be careful, all right?
Actually, I could probably catch him right now.
All right, man. We got that Gold Castmaster on this. Changed out from that sassy shad. Water is a little stained. See if there ain't nothing out there. Ooh, Castmaster cast. Little fish jumped out in the middle of the water. All right, switch out from that sassy shad to the Gold Castmaster. Just lost the Castmaster in the bottom of this water here. We're here while I'm fishing. So, gonna change it up. We gotta use these night crawlers anyway. It's hot outside and I don't have them in the cooler. And I got the ones that need to be refrigerated. So, that's the rig. And we're gonna walk out here and throw it out, man. See what's up. Let's check it out. Well, everybody, man, no luck up that way. We're gonna continue on walking down. All kinds of little juicy looking spots, but went through at least 2 lures on the night crawlers now. Of course, night crawler gets a couple of nibbles here and there, but still nothing hooked up. Let's see what's out there. Need some bites, get little bites. Pop. Oh, got a little something here. What is this? Get him over the pole. Oh, over the top. What we got? Yeah, my favorite. Big green sunfish. You guys never fail me. Thank you for playing, guy. I do really appreciate it. All right, back in the water. Let's clean this off and do it again. There we go. Oh, hooked up already. There's a little honey hole right there, son, huh? What do we got? All right, another big green. Let go. Look at that big mouth. Nice. Now that's fun. Went from catching nothing to catching something quick. All right, back in order, guy. Fix this bait here. Yeah, just using a night crawler and a jig head. I lost the other rig I had with just a shot weight and a hook. This works just as good, just as deadly, just like that. Try it again. That's 2 in the same spot. Let's try it again. Well, look like I caught the 2 meanest ones out of that hole. We'll do one more cast and carry on. All right, let's step it out. There's big ones right here. Huh? There's big ones right here. Is this the hole the guy was talking about? I'm not sure, but there's some big carp right here. This guy said there was a hole somewhere around here. Yeah, it's right here. Right here? Yeah. You found it? Right there. There's fish right in front of you. Big? Like right. See him swimming? I don't see him. About 10 feet in front of you. Oh. Fish. Oh, and he gets off. We're finding a safer way to get out of here. Right there. Climb up that. Look how wet I am, Greg. Look. Are you serious? There's rocks in my shoes. This was a bad idea, Greg. I'm not coming ever again. It was not a bad idea. Look. I'm not coming ever again here. You almost caught a big fish. I don't care. You think I care? Not that. Look. I'm literally wet. Oh my God. Why couldn't we go the same way we went? Because I didn't know how to get this from there. There's rocks in my shoes. Literally, Greg. Why do you do this to me? I'm sorry. Okay. Can you see them? Where? All the white fins down there? Mm-hmm. Over here on this left side, see them down there in the middle? Oh, careful. Can you see that white one down there? I don't see him. So I'm trying to catch him. Come in a little bit closer. Reel it in just a little bit more. And let it drop. Right there. Right there is where they're at. Oh, there's one swimming right towards your bait. Oh yeah. Reel it in. Oh, you got cast it again. Huh? Okay. I'm gonna go try another spot. I'll be back. Y'all guys try it out. You know the other spot? No, not really. I just walk all the way down and try it all. There's a bunch in there though. Keep trying. All right, so here I am doing a little piece of bread. Little bitty hook. See if there's anything in here. And we just wait. Just bottom fishing right now. Some little bites. Take it. Gotta be a little sunfish, man. Oh, that's something the whole time. Oh, I'm sorry, guy. Just a sunfish. Belly hook. You'll be all right. Just got you just a little bit. There you go. Little sunfish as all was. Some pretty blue on the bottom. Look at that. Nice. In the water. All right, everybody, I went ahead and put the night crawler back on. I got like a half a slice of bread thrown out there for some chum. Kind of call the carp and the catfish and the bass and everything comes. You throw bread out there. And pretty much everything eats night crawler, so we'll see what happens. Big sunfish out there tearing it up. They're probably eating all my bread down there too. Well, if I don't get nothing here next couple casts, we're gonna change spots, everybody. A little bit better. Oh, a lot of bit better. Oh, are you kidding me? What is that? Look at that. Another, is that a red horse carp? Wow. Dude, the second time I caught one. Look at this guy. Whoa. He's awesome. Golden red horse. Whoa, look at this dude. Oh. Whoa. You are beautiful, man. All right. Stop. Oh. Look at this guy. He took the hook. Came out just real easy. Look at that lip. This is a sucker fish, everybody. Let me see if I can't clean them off. Oh, get the colors on them. Oh. Look at this guy. Beautiful fish. Man, you rarely catch these. I mean, I do at least. I rarely catch them. I caught one the other day on a lure, but look at this guy. I think it's called a golden red horse. Look at the rays on that fin. Wow, real beautiful fish. Man, they fight real hard too. All right, guy. Thank you for that fight. And I'm gonna let you go. Let's go. Excellent. Right. Cool. It's an awesome catch, man. It's a nice surprise. I thought it was a bass at first. It was a golden red horse carp. Excellent. I think I saw that guy swimming in here in the bottom earlier. All right, well, since I caught one, I've got to stay a little bit longer, right? That's the rule. That was cool. Golden red horse carp. Different from your common carp. And your buffalo and all that. All right, threaded on another worm just like that. Try it again. Oh, got something. What is that? Oh, big old sunfish. Nice. Look at the size of this guy. Oh, beautiful bluegill. I think that's a genuine bluegill there, or copper-nosed bream. Wow, I don't think I've ever caught one over here. That's a good looking fish. Let me get the hook out of his mouth. Off the worm. He has little teeth and everything, look at that. See little teeth? I want to lip him. That's a nice looking sunfish there. Got a nice big hump on his back. Excellent. Let's get him back in the water. Do it again. What else do we got in here? All right, everybody, we're gonna move it along from this spot and go check out another spot. Yeah, so I saw a fox this morning, and I bet you $100 that's his den. Whoa, almost fell. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's just a big green sunfish. I thought it was a rock bass for a second. Let me get this yeah, rock bass, green sunfish, and stuff like that. They're hard fighters. The best fighters. Ah, come on, get on. There you go. Big green. In the water, mean. Well, everybody, that about does it for today. If I catch any more before I go, you'll be the first to know. I appreciate you guys watching Oscar Outdoors, man. Please like, comment, share. Thanks, donate, get notified. Like and all that good stuff, y'all. Take it easy, everybody.